Welcome to Home Decor Hub, where we turn ordinary spaces into extraordinary expressions of style. In today's video, we're diving deep into the realm of TV wall decor ideas, unveiling ingenious ways to make your living room a true masterpiece. Join us as we explore a world of inspiration and creativity that will leave you eager to transform your own space. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. TV wall decor ideas to help you transform your living space. Gallery wall. Create a gallery wall around your TV with a mix of framed artwork, photographs, and decorative objects. This can add personality and visual interest to the space. Floating shelves. Install floating shelves around the TV to display books, plants, decorative items, and personal mementos. This adds depth and functionality to the wall. Wallpaper or wall decals. Use wallpaper or wall decals to create a stunning backdrop behind the TV. This can be a bold pattern, a subtle texture, or even a nature-inspired mural. Custom cabinetry. Design custom cabinetry around the TV to hide electronics, store media, and display decorative items. This creates a polished and organized look. Mirrors. Hang mirrors on either side of the TV to reflect light and make the space feel larger. You can choose decorative mirrors that complement your overall decor style. Wood paneling. Install wood paneling or reclaimed wood planks to add warmth and texture to the TV wall. This can create a cozy and rustic atmosphere. Faux fireplace. Create a faux fireplace surround around the TV for a cozy and elegant focal point. You can add a mantle for displaying decor or even install LED lights for a realistic flame effect. LED backlighting. Install LED strip lights behind the TV to create a subtle backlighting effect. This can enhance the ambience of the room and reduce eye strain during TV viewing. Textured wall panels. Use 3D textured wall panels to add depth and intrigue to the TV wall. These panels come in various patterns and materials, allowing you to customize the look. Minimalist design. Embrace a minimalist approach by placing a single large piece of artwork or a sculptural element above the TV. This creates a clean and sophisticated look. Plant wall. Install wall-mounted planters or shelves to create a vertical garden around the TV. This brings a touch of nature indoors and adds a refreshing element to the space. Chalkboard or corkboard wall. Turn the TV wall into a functional space by using chalkboard or corkboard paint. This allows you to write messages, pin important notes, or display artwork. Geometric patterns. Create a visually striking TV wall by using geometric patterns through paint, wallpaper, or wall decals. This adds a modern and artistic touch to the room. Antique or vintage finds. Display antique frames, vintage signs, or retro items around the TV to add character and a sense of nostalgia to the space. Cable management. Incorporate cable management solutions to keep cords and cables organized and hidden, contributing to a clean and clutter-free appearance. TV wall decor is not just about making your living space aesthetically pleasing. It serves several important functions that can enhance both the visual and functional aspects of your room. Here's why TV wall decor is significant. Visual focal point. A well-decorated TV wall can act as a focal point in your room, drawing attention and creating a sense of balance in the overall design. It helps. Before you go, dear viewers, don't forget to show your support by hitting that like button, sharing this video with friends and family, and of course, subscribing to our channel for more exciting content. Your engagement fuels our passion to keep creating, so thank you, and remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.